Hello, I hope you're having a great day. My name's Alec Micus, the author of No Realtor, No Problem. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can benefit from the number one tool that realtors use when selling homes. And you can do it as a for sale by owner without paying the thousands of dollars in realtor fees. So, how do you do that? It's called using a flat fee MLS service. The MLS is the multiple listing service, and it's the number one tool realtors use because whenever you go to list a home or set your client up on a search to find a home, that's what you're using. So if you're selling for sale by owner and you're only on, say, Zillow and social media, Craigslist, things like that, you're missing so many buyer eyes that might be interested in your house, but you're just not even popping up on their radar. What you're going to do is if you go and just search on Google flat fee MLS services near me, you're going to see many different services. Some will be extremely cheap. I've seen this as low as about $70 to $80 and as high as about $800 to $900, but that comes with the whole shebang. And what do I mean by the whole shebang? Well, it's realtors who are listing the house for you. You're paying them a small fee to do so. And the low ones, that just like you list it and they forget about you and you stay in full control. The more expensive ones are covering all of your professional marketing. They're listing the home. They're giving you a for sale sign. They're putting the lockbox on the door and maybe allowing you to use their service for showings and then helping you negotiate. So that's why you would pay them more. And that's still such a minimal fee in the big scheme of things. So any for sale by owner needs to get on a flat fee MLS service. And if you're going to be on the MLS, and you don't pay to have the marketing, that whole shebang I talked about, then go ahead and pay for your own professional photographer to come in, because you don't want to be on the MLS and look like a for sale by owner. You want to look like your house belongs on there. That way you look best. And if you're going to hire the professional photographer, you need to keep your house clean. Get a professional cleaner in your house. Even if you're a clean freak, I still say it doesn't hurt to get a professional cleaner in the house. Allow them to do a deep clean on the home. Get it magazine worthy. Have that service done at least one day prior, if not the same day that the photographers are coming. So that way your house looks best. Your listing photos look incredible, and then you're capturing those buyer eyes. So I hope this helps, and good luck on the sale of your home. Until next time, take care.